iPhone is connected.
Hello friends,
iPhone is
in this video I will
disconnected.
show you very cool iPhone trick. Your iPhone will talk when you connect or disconnect the charger. Yes, your iPhone will say iPhone is connected and iPhone is disconnected. Okay, let's see how this setting work. First friends, you open simply iPhone shortcut app. And you see here downside have option automation. Click here and click here a new automation. Scroll down and here have option charger. Click here. Click here. Click here. And click to next. And click here speak text. Click here. And here friends you're writing iPhone is connected. And click here. So friends this automation set ready. Now again go to the automation, select charger one more time. And this time you choose here option is disconnected. And untick this option. Click here. Click here. And click to next. Click here speak text. And writing here iPhone is disconnected. And click here. Now let me show you the result. When I connect the charger, my iPhone says iPhone is connected, and when I remove the charger, it says iPhone is disconnected.
iPhone is connected. iPhone is disconnected. iPhone is connected.
If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.